Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I have something here which is an air pump or air compressor, battery powered. This is from INNOVV, and INNOVV is a company that they have sent me in the past dash cams for the motorcycle to review. I actually have one on the Goldwing right now, which I love it, and it's super quality. So they wanted to send me this new air compressor they come up with to try out, and I thought, heck yeah, I'll do it because I know they're good stuff. Their air compressor should be good. It's definitely got some weight to this box, but we're going to take and try this thing out. The cool part about these battery powered ones is you can take and just throw them in your motorcycle, in your car. You don't have to worry about plugging them into an accessory adapter or none of that. It's just battery powered. You charge them up by USB-C. You can use them on your lawnmowers, your cars, your motorcycles, anything, trailers. Just super handy to have. But let's take this thing out, check it out, check out the box, how it's packaged, and we'll air up some tires with it. So they definitely have nice looking packaging anyway. On the package here, quick inflation. Supports up to 150 psi for quick effortless inflation. 6,000 milliamp hour battery for extended use. You can see here it shows pretty much anything. Cars, bicycles, motorcycles, even your basketball, football, whatever. Beach ball. A couple of decals. We got a user manual. Definitely a good looking unit. Got a box here. So even on the side here they have INNOVV cut into it. Pretty cool. And of course we have the screen, power on button, plus and minus, SOS. Oh, because it does have a light on it too, right here. Has a LED light on it. There's our input, 5 volt 2 amp USB-C, and it has an output, 5 volt 2 amp. So you could actually use this to charge your stuff like your cell phone or whatever off of this too. Use it for a portable power bank. Super cool. Hold this down, turn it on. You see the display. Let's peel this off. A lot of times I leave them on, but we'll peel it off so we can actually see the screen better. So we have a battery life indicator set on bar right now. Shows a car up here and then our number. Let's click on this bottom one down here. Changes the function. There's PSI, bar. So we'll go to PSI. Got it on 35. For our car, let's set it on 32. It's just that simple. And then we hold it down, or now we just press the button to turn it on. Press the button, turn it off. And the cool part is once you set it on 32 like that, as soon as your tire inflation reaches 32 psi, it's going to shut off. Comes with a little carrying bag, which is okay. I would rather them have an actual case. These work, but I'd rather have an actual case for it. Then we have our air hose, which is the quick style. And then this threads on to the unit itself. Here we have different fittings. We have the adapter here for Presta. And then we have blow tips. We have a larger one and a smaller one. And then we have a ball needle here for airing up balls. So this is just going to thread in here like so. And now we're ready to use. This is our USB-C to USB charging cable. Okay, so here is the technical parameters. This is a INNOVV model number P1. Multifunctional intelligent display air compressor. The input voltage and output voltage, which I told you earlier. The battery capacity is 6,000 milliamp hour. Charge time is 3 to 5 hours. Battery life is 22 minutes. Noise level is 78 decibels. Working voltage 11.1 volts. Max power consumption 60 watt. The LED on there is 20 lumens. Of course, the max pressure, like I said, is 150 psi. And then we have our measurements down here. So you can actually pause the screen if you want to see all this and read it. Okay, so as far as charging this thing up, super easy to charge. I actually have a portable power bank here I'm using. Plug in the USB-A, plug it in here to USB-C, and you can see the display here showing that it's charging. It's almost full charge. Up enough now we can actually test it. I'm going to try out the LED light. Hit this SOS button. And it comes on. Oh, then we got a red flashing. SOS. And then we got a different flash pattern here. So that's pretty much what you got as far as the LED. Brightness. It's not extremely bright, but you don't need it too bright. And one advantage to having this LED on here is that it's aimed toward where your air comes out. So in other words, when you use it at night, it's going to be aimed toward the tire where you're airing it up. A lot of things come and the light is not actually aimed that direction. The light may be here on the side or in the back. Well, it's nice to have this light where it aims to where you're going to be putting the air in so you can see what you're doing at night. So that's a plus. Let's take this thing and try it out. Okay, so let's check the air on the Honda HR-V. Connect this on. Now, turn it on. So our pressure in the tire right now is 29.5 psi. We want to air it up to 32, which is what I got it set on. And of course, as soon as we get to 20, and then of course, as soon as we get to 32, it shuts off. Super cool. It's actually not noisy, and it's pretty fast pumping. Let's take it and do the other tires. So in our rear, we got 27.5. Okay, so that's what's cool about these. You can take and just air it up like this, no need for wires. You're beside the road, you have a flat, you can just air this thing right back up. You can plug your tire, air it up. It's just super cool. With no wires, just super convenient. Throw it in your glove box, in your trunk, whatever. And it's just small and compact, works super. Let's go try it on the motorcycle. Okay, let's set this down from 32 to 22. And the motorcycle's probably not that low. But the good part is, if you don't have an air gauge, you can actually use this thing also to check the air pressure in your tires. Okay, so we're at 15 psi, 15.5. So 22. It's that easy. Okay, guys, there you go. The INNOVV P1. Pretty cool to be able to just carry this. So you can just throw this in the tailbag of your motorcycle, throw it in the glove box or the trunk of your car, or whatever. Just works super cool. No wires. Battery powered. So super cool. Well, there you guys go. Thank you all for watching. I will post a link in the description where you can check this out. Click that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.